You're already familiar with GitHub Actions, the CI/CD tool built right into the GitHub platform. Yep, and you already know that we can migrate from other platforms right into GitHub Actions. But did you know that we just recently expanded the set of tools we support? Using GitHub Actions Importer, our customers can now plan, test, and automate migrations of existing pipelines from Jenkins, GitLab, CircleCI, Travis, and Azure DevOps. Yep, Atlassian too. We support BitBucket Pipelines, Bamboo DataCenter, Bamboo Server. The last one's really important because it means that people can migrate to Actions before Atlassian sunsets their server products in February of 2024. Who? Well, individual developers who want to bring GitHub Actions into their workplace, technology managers who are looking to consolidate and simplify their DevOps toolset. They all know it's really time expensive and risky to manually migrate. So it's amazing for them to be able to automate all of that with GitHub Actions Importer. And it's free. It's available right inside the GitHub CLI or IssueOps. Where can they find out more? gh.io/actionsimporter.